YouTube friends and family. Today did not go as planned. I had a specific list of stuff to get for the garden. I was supposed to go to Lowe's. Why did I end up at the Dollar Tree first? And yes, I went to Lowe's. And yes, I went to Ollie's. So I did it all. So those are the next 3 hauls. I might get most of the Lowe's haul. I might do that in a short. I don't know. But, my garden shorts are not getting pushed out because I'm confusing the algorithm. So we're going to do this Dollar Tree haul first. Go on ahead and give me, my 400-500 views or something. I need to get monetized. So help a sister out. Go back and watch a playlist. If you're in the gardening, I have a playlist with hundreds of videos. Stuff, contraptions I built to plant in. Everything. Okay? So go look at some of that if you into the gardening so I can get that content pushed out too. We are in garden season and I'm supposed to be out there doing this, but I was out shopping from 8 o'clock. I looked around, it was 1. Still ain't did all my errands. It was like 12:50. Hadn't had a thing to eat, hadn't had coffee, and had a bottle of water in the car that I was like, oh, I ain't even drank water today. I had to hurry up and drink some water. And I did, stop the firehouse and got a sub. I get 23% back at Firehouse subs, cash back on the Upside app. So if you're not using Upside, I'll link it below, my little link, and you can get on Upside too. If you're in Jacksonville, they have cash back at Jenkins, cash back at KFC, Firehouse, some other places. And they give you cash back on gas if you're not at your Sam's, Costco, BJ's, or don't have a membership. I legit probably paid $2.70 something for gas at a Shell station today with my rebates. And because it's a Shell deal on Fetch too. If you didn't know, now you know. Check out Fetch. So, and I'll link that. I'm going to put my link out for that too, I guess. So, if you're first time here, my name is JC. And yes, I love the Dollar Tree. I'm a Dollar Tree addict. And I like what they have to offer most of the time. So, I went to the Dollar Tree today. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, go ahead and subscribe because that's most of what I do. But I do have a garden too in an HOA. Hence the name. That's how the channel started out. But it kind of took a turn back there somewhere. Okay. So, I brought this. I'm going to keep it in the pickup truck for picking up trash outside the neighborhood if the spirits hits me. Because it gets real nasty out there. I mean nasty. It's a shame how people throw trash side the road. If you guilty, stop it now. Just quit littering. It's a horrible thing. It is really horrible. So, I got another one of these to keep in the truck. And I'm going to keep some bags in the truck. And, stop when I have an extra 15 minutes, walk the street, and pick up some trash. So this haul does contain a lot of new items. And by the time I get to it, I've been in here almost 4 minutes. So, a lot of new items. I was completely out of paper plates, so I grabbed that pack just to have something. Even though it works for us to use real dishes around here. When I bought these the last time, I was like, I should have grabbed more than one. I love these in my teas. They're okay. And I needed more. So, I grabbed 2 more of these. Probably should have grabbed 3 because it's only, how many in here? 12. It's 12 in here. So, they're still running about 10 cents a pack when you really calculate that up. Okay? I grabbed some of these for Caraman's Easter basket. He does like that, and I needed some savory items for him. I grabbed this because I don't know. I might have bought it before, but it looks darn good. This thing's strawberry pineapple. But you don't get many. You get 6 packs. You can drop these individuals into Easter baskets too. I've done that when I do little gifts for my bingo buddies. Oh, I got one thing in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So 75 cents at the Dollar Tree. 75 cents at the Dollar Tree. But I can remember when these things used to be 3 for $1. I'm that old. Okay. So 75 cents. And I was about to cook the Texas style from there. And I saw that Texas style take 3 eggs. Not right now. No, she will not be putting 3 eggs in one batch of cornbread. This still takes 1 egg. So I said we need to go back to Jiffy for a minute. We need to get back on the Jiffyville while these eggs is knocking our heads off. So this is so amazing. I hope you're able to find it. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. This will be a great basket stuffer. I bought it for myself because I could see myself sitting at the desk playing with this thing. This is an ink pen. It writes well. It rolls. It's a little car. And the doors even open up. The doors even open up. Both of them open, I think. That one I like it don't want to stay open. But the doors even open up. I thought this was the cutest thing sitting at the register. It is a little car that is an ink pen too. Oh my goodness. Yes, it was a whole $1.25, but I thought this was the cutest thing. And it rolls. So you could play with it at the desk. Got any like kids that kind of twitchy, ADHD? This is lovely. Okay? I'm using that. That's not even going in the basket. And I only bought one. I bet you I won't see them the next time. I'm telling you, that's going to be an item that disappears. So, I bought mayonnaise, Kraft mayonnaise with real cage-free eggs. So I did grab that. Just a few things for the kitchen. They have these back, the Joe Boxers. Oh my goodness, the Joe Boxers. And this does say, protects from irritating and itching. And it's plant-based. So, one of these might go in the Easter basket, child. I gotta go look at his bathroom and see if he used the last ones I bought him. So this is one of those coveted items. I say I'll buy one, the new items. And it's like tongs. Like I needed anything else in that kitchen. I'm actually about to declutter some of the kitchen. But they're like tongs for grabbing pasta and stuff like that. So I did get one of these coveted items. One of the hot new things. I only bought one of these. So they do carry Jell-O cheesecake pudding mix. Okay. Now I saw somebody on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube. I don't know where I saw this. Wherever I saw it, I saved it. They took Greek yogurt, mixed the pudding mix, and added fruit. And was like, this is a low-calorie sweet treat. Which this does say 25. So this whole pack is 100 calories. So they like made a dessert. Supposed to be a weight loss dessert. I wanted to try that. So I did grab that. But I could see you doing that with banana pudding and everything else too. Banana pudding mix, vanilla pudding mix, whichever one you want. And then they added fruit. It looked delicious. And I wish I remember who it was. But like I say, I saved it and I will find it and make it myself. So this is brand new. Brand new. I have never seen this before. It's kettle cooked coconut cashews. This, it has, oh shoot, I didn't read that. I stopped reading. Once I saw the ingredients. And I thought it said cashews, roasted in vegetable oil, peanut, cottonseed, sunflower seed, canola and or rice bran oil, coconut, sugar, and salt. But then the only thing I read was contained cashews and coconut. And I'm thinking I'm reading the ingredient list. That went too fast, but it does say bioengineered. Darn it. But new item that might not bother you. It says bioengineered ingredient though. So beware if you are not down with it. Oh, I gotta do them. I forgot about that. Oh, this is a new item. New. So we have travel. If you're making your go bag with the fires, go bag, throw this in. Have you a go bag ready? I do have a video where I put together a go bag, a backpack that you can just grab and go. So not having to grab anything you're using now, have it set up to grab and get the heck up out of Dodge. So this is a foldable toothbrush and toothpaste. So you could throw this in your go bag. Or if you're traveling, this is your travel bag. Ready to go. Compact and ready to go. So this is brand new. I was extremely shocked to see it. And I bought a lot. I bought 4 of them. Borax powder. Laundry booster. Multi-purpose cleaner. Borax. And this is 14 ounces. 14 ounces. And borax is not cheap. So you can help remove stains and neutralize odor. You can sprinkle this in your carpet when your pet go down and do some things. And vacuum it up. It'll neutralize it. It's a whole bunch of uses for borax. So I bought 4 of these. 4 of them. It says sprinkle borax powder on a damp cloth and wipe down counters and appliances. Enhances cleaning power of dishwasher detergent. Helps remove grease. Makes dishes sparkling clean. Now see, I ain't even know about using it in the kitchen. I had no idea. So now you got one for your bathroom, one for your kitchen, one for your laundry room. That way it's all split up. So that one was a good find. I am excited about the new things. This, I was hungry. They'll be gone in a minute. This is going to be added to the Easter basket. He'll smash this in 2 minutes. I need to make a bag to put that stuff away because if it's sitting out, child, boo, it's not going to. Whew, I don't know. It's hard. I don't know how y'all have more than one. Them teenage boys, I don't know how y'all have more than one. Okay? So I bought these. I saw Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener, grind these up for fertilizer. I said, oh, she done changed the game. That makes sense. $1.25 is still places you can get beans for $1. Go to the salvage store, you might find them kind of expired, or if you got some expired ones in your cabinet that you know you don't eat because you didn't eat expired food, grind them up, throw them in the garden. They'll still do the thing. I was like, oh, she done changed the game. Oh my goodness, she done changed the game. So I grabbed 2 bags of this to add to my fertilizer. Because I'm about to get out there and set up some more beds. And I think she used it with the onions. I got to look again. But I think she was putting them with her onions. And she always gets nice big onions. So, organic is food. Because she said something like, I don't know who that is in them bags. I was like, oh, she changing the game. So, I will have to call him back. Let's see. Okay, so we have happiness habits. This is a guided journal for building small, easy habits for mindfulness, happiness, and success. And it actually is a guided journal. And it has stuff like think of someone you admire, make a list of all their best quirks, qualities, and strengths. So, yes, this is cool. And these. I love these. That's just one serving right there for me, because I eat the whole bag. Something else that's not $1.25 in the Dollar Tree. So they're going down on some of the prices. Everything is not $1.25. It's stuff now you can get under $1.25. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, I'm concerned. I'm going to finish this video because I don't know what's going on, but this is odd. The person that's calling me is very odd. And we've had 2 deaths in the family, so I don't know what's going on. Woo! But take a breath and finish this video with a smile on my face. Yes, I will. So this was $1. Cheddar, broccoli, rice, and sauce, $1. And I ended up buying 2 of these coconut cashews. I knew I had 2 of them, of the coconut cashews. Whew. And then Utz peanut butter filled pretzels. This is Easter basket. It's just all snacks, because I plan on cleansing soon. You might not even get an Easter dinner around here, because if I cook it, I'm going to eat it. And if I'm cleansing, I don't want them. Okay? So that's how it's going to work around here. That's olives. Child, I'm about to break out the wrong stuff. Okay. Oh, so there's some good stuff. So when I am cleansing, I do drink alkaline water. And here is some water that they had. Save the Ocean Zen water. I'm sure this retails for more than $1.25 in your other stores. Also, I say I'll give this a try. This is Hawaiian volcanic water. Let me hold it in my other hand. So maybe Hawaiian volcanic water. Okay. And that's small, but I say I'll give it a try. And the stuff I shouldn't have, child. But these taste good. I'm going to just say it. These taste real good. So I got the peach mango burst. Bubbly burst. So I'll let it go in my drink fridge. And then I got some more Easter basket stuff. This is a big old roll. Look at this. This is a big old roll. Let's see. Longer than my head. Big old roll. And they're $1.25. Good Easter basket filler. And the last item. And this is something you probably need. And this is a real good price for it. I didn't know these was $1.25. I was concerned. But the whole gallon of windshield washer fluid. A whole freaking gallon by the brand LA Totally Awesome. $1.25. So that's the biggest thing in this haul. So that is it for the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to do a Lowe's haul. A quick Lowe's haul. Like 3-4 minutes. And I don't know, I might do the 3-minute short on that one. And Ollie's. If y'all ain't been to Ollie's, y'all need to go to Ollie's. Now, I did not find my bowls, but y'all will see what I did find if you watch the next haul. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and comment below. Have you seen any of these things? What would you want out this haul? Have you seen this ink pen? What was your favorite thing from this haul? Because this is mine. This ink pen, I think it's the coolest thing ever. So, let me know in the comments below. And as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. And let me find out what this phone call was about. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.